Isn't that so beautiful? Birds whistling in the morning. Just want to say, never be discouraged. If you have a dream, chase it. Even if it's in travel, or making something, or singing a song. Through practice and knowing the right information, you can do it. Just like these birdies. These birds have to survive and live. For all we know, but that is their dream. They wanted to come back as a bird. It's fascinating how the world can be with all this noise, but really it's so simple. People want to make it confusing, but life itself isn't confusing. It's the people in your life what can make things confusing, and don't let that upset you or discourage you. Enjoy being yourself. Don't let anyone change you. Don't let anyone upset you and where you have to retaliate back in a vicious way. I always say that the universe works in mysterious ways. We don't have to do anything. Just show our love and share. But some people don't deserve that. But who are we to judge? We all deserve happiness though. We all deserve to dream and make our lives so much content and easier. Whatever that is to you, just have a beautiful day.